Tropicana Slim, bantu banyak orang kontrol gula darah selama 50 tahun.
Go. Well, you're right. Unfortunately, of course, the result. I think in the beginning of the game, we did a very good job in pressing high, exactly on the right side where we wanted to press, because we knew on the left side they have the good players. And from my point of view, it went very good. After that, we received a penalty. If you shoot the penalty in, it will be a totally different match, of course. But unfortunately, Kevin shot the ball in the post, and from that moment we changed something in our minds or something. But we didn't play our play anymore. But I think that during the game, I think that we fought like lions. We never dropped down our heads. But unfortunately, I'm very disappointed, of course, for the result. Not only for us, for the people, but for everybody who is supporting Indonesia. Yes, if possible, of course. That's my playing style, and I think that from the beginning that we saw the game, we had grip of the game. I think that we played better than Australia. But unfortunately, how important it is to make a penalty or not. And what it does mentally is a big thing, of course. If you score 1-0, I'm sure it will be a totally different game. Unfortunately, penalties you don't score them every time, and you know it just came on the wrong moment, and you know it's a pity for everybody, and we need to work. Bahrain is in 5 days already in front of the door, and try to get a good result against Bahrain. But first, we have to digest this game. But again, the work mentality, the ethic of the players, I'm very happy about it. And if you concede the goal like this with personal mistakes, you need to work. We need to work, and that's normal. Well, the positivity is that we kept on going, and the spirit in the team will always be there. You guys don't see the spirit what we have in the team. We will react. We will react absolutely against Bahrain. But now we have to digest first this defeat and you know look at each other themselves. What somebody did wrong. Also me. Maybe I did something wrong as well. But we will analyze everything and prepare ourselves for Bahrain. More things we can do.
Saya Rizka Clarissa. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen,